Welcome friends to our channel. Today, we explore the thrilling world of Bollywood courtroom dramas. Legal battles have always captivated Indian cinema, bringing intense cases and dramatic showdowns to the big screen. Bollywood has produced unforgettable lawyer movies that entertain and shed light on the justice system, often inspired by real events or compelling fiction. Sit back and enjoy our top 3 best lawyer movies from Bollywood, guaranteed to keep you hooked with their gripping legal battles. If you love courtroom dramas, these films are a must-watch. Number 1 is OMG 2, released in 2023. OMG 2 is a satirical comedy drama that serves as a sequel to the 2012 film OMG Oh My God. The story revolves around Kanti Sharan Mudgal, role played by Pankaj Tripathi, a simple and devout man who is deeply concerned about his son's, role played by Arush Verma, involvement in an inappropriate incident at school. Disillusioned by the school's response and societal hypocrisy, Kanti embarks on a legal battle to address the issue of sex education in Indian schools. His quest for justice is supported by a mysterious and divine figure, Lord Shiva, role played by Akshay Kumar, who appears in human form to guide and inspire him. The film tackles sensitive topics with humor and insight, promoting the importance of awareness and education in a conservative society. In summary, OMG 2 blends humor with a social message, aiming to spark conversation about the need for comprehensive education and the role of religion in contemporary issues. Other cast in the movie are Yami Gautam, Arun Govil, Govind Namdev, Arush Verma. Before we continue, if you're enjoying this video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so you never miss an update. Number 2 is Section 375, released in 2019. Section 375 is a courtroom drama that delves into the complexities of the Indian legal system concerning rape laws. The film revolves around the trial of a prominent Bollywood director, Rohan Khurrana, role played by Rahul Bhatt, who is accused of raping a junior costume designer, Anjali Dangle, role played by Meera Chopra. The case becomes highly publicized and controversial, highlighting the nuances and challenges of proving guilt and innocence in rape cases under Section 375 of the Indian Penal Code. The story follows the intense courtroom battle between the defense lawyer, Tarun Saluja, role played by Akshay Khanna, and the public prosecutor, Hiral Gandhi, role played by Richa Chadha. Tarun, a seasoned and cynical defense attorney, is determined to prove his client's innocence, focusing on the inconsistencies and potential motives behind the accusation. On the other hand, Hiral, a determined and idealistic prosecutor, fights for justice for the victim, representing the societal push for accountability and punishment for sexual offenses. As the case unfolds, the film explores themes of consent, power dynamics, and the grey areas in sexual harassment cases, leaving the audience questioning the morality and ethics of the legal process. In summary, Section 375 is a gripping legal drama that challenges perceptions and stimulates debate about the Indian judicial system and the intricacies of rape law. Other cast in the movie are Kritika Desai, Shree Swara. Number 3 is Pink, released in 2016. Pink is a powerful courtroom drama that addresses themes of consent, women's rights, and societal norms in India. The story revolves around 3 young women, Meenal Arora, role played by Taapsee Pannu, Falak Ali, role played by Kirti Kulhari, and Andrea Taryang, who become embroiled in a legal battle after an incident at a party. One night, the 3 friends attend a rock concert and later accept an invitation to a resort for drinks with a group of men, including Rajveer Singh, role played by Angad Bedi, the nephew of a powerful politician. The situation turns violent when Rajveer tries to assault Meenal, and in self-defense, she hits him with a bottle. Following the incident, the women are harassed and threatened by Rajveer and his friends, leading to Meenal being arrested on charges of attempted murder. The case takes a dramatic turn when retired lawyer Deepak Sehgal, role played by Amitabh Bachchan, steps in to defend the women. Through intense courtroom exchanges, Deepak challenges societal prejudices and emphasizes the importance of consent. His defense focuses on dismantling the stereotypes and biases against women who defy traditional norms. The film's climactic moments involve Deepak's arguments that a woman's dignity and right to say no must be respected regardless of her lifestyle or personal choices, ultimately leading to a landmark verdict. In summary, Pink is acclaimed for its strong performances, especially by Amitabh Bachchan and Taapsee Pannu, and for its impactful message about the importance of consent and women's safety. The film played a significant role in sparking conversations about gender equality and women's rights in India. Other cast in the movie are Piyush Mishra, Dhritiman Chatterjee, Vijay Verma, Rashul Tandon, Tushar Pandey. And there you have it, our top 3 best lawyer movies from Bollywood that are sure to keep you on the edge of your seat with their gripping legal battles and powerful performances. If you enjoyed this video and found our recommendations helpful, please give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to share this video with your friends and family who love a good courtroom drama. And most importantly, hit that subscribe button and click the bell icon so you never miss an update from us. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.